Hey guys, it's ShawNshawN from the artist from ShawNshawN.co. I also sell on eBay. I'm about ready to go start a new landscape painting. So follow me closely. See you guys, thanks. This thing I got, man, it's so huge, it's gigantic. Like, so I'll use that in my next Metal Mayhem when I do really large again. Probably not for this show, just because I have 3 large works. It's probably enough. I wanted to do 4, but you know, just based on how things are selling at this gallery, probably not worth your while. But anyway, I'm gonna go paint inside, so let's go check it out. Hey, it's ShawNshawN here from ShawNshawN.co. I also do eBay specials. I'm going to do a painting today on the fjords of Norway. Done one before about the Viking boats in there. Might throw in a Viking boat. We'll see how it goes. Alright, wish me luck. Alright, the question of the day. Who is one of the most ruthless Vikings that ever lived? Stay tuned. Okay, for the colors we're using titanium white, yellow ochre, Telluride yellow, primary yellow, you always have to have that, pearly red, dark, nice quin red. On the browns we got a burnt ember, transparent red oxide, which goes really well with kind of if you got rock developments. This is Indian yellow hue, it's got red all over it, but on our blues we got quin blue, which I really like a lot. We also have a turquoise phthalo green, which I don't think I'm going to really use, thinking about it. A raw umber on the brown. One more blue, but I don't know what it is. Alright, wish me luck. Alright, so we're back. Going to start the Viking fjords of Norway. Are they going to war? Are they coming back with all the booty? We'll find out. So who is the most ruthless Vikings? There's several, obviously, being Vikings. One was Eric Bloodaxe. Gotta love the name. So he was the first king of Norway. Now he tried to stop his brother's bloodline by actually killing his own two brothers, which, you know, is a common theme to royal successions. Nowadays, not so much, but I don't know. With the death of Diana in England, who knows? You know, maybe that's kind of still going on. His savior, his one brother Hakon, actually kicked out Eric, and Eric, he wasn't into his demise, but he actually resettled in northern Scotland and England, and, you know, ruled from there. Probably that's maybe one of the reasons why the Vikings went and attacked England several times. Was maybe this continued vengeance plan of the Vikings, beside all the riches that the English had that the Norwegians did not have. They just gathered fish and lived off the land a little brutally, and the English were, you know, prime farmland, nice cows, pigs. You know, it'd be a nice, easy catch for the day, as well as, you know, nice women and golds and riches and all that. Fun stuff. All right, well, stay tuned to my Vikings painting. All right, guys. Just finished up the painting, so let's zoom in here. So you have a nice blue sky. They had kind of a red sunset on there. I'm not sure if the sky blend's exactly correct. And then I had kind of this hills with green on the hills and this nice cliff area. And I had a little Viking boat, you know, why not? I thought it would be a cool ad. Anyway, if you, hopefully you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, on below. And hopefully share with your friends, and see you next video. Thanks.